All right, so Jim, tell me about where are we in the process with this kitchen and what have you done?
So our process here, this falls into our rip and replace, where the kitchen's perfectly fine the way it is. It's about updating it. And in this situation, we basically ripped off the countertops. We'll obviously replace with brand new quartzite. We're in the process of putting the backsplash up, and then we painted the cabinets with a split color. The beautiful thing here was the homeowner had their own flooring person, as well as being able to outsource it. So we didn't have to do the whole thing, although we can. They had already had the flooring lined up and set up, had the flooring done. We came in and went to work on the cabinets, had the countertops replaced, or the countertops replaced, and then we'll get to the backsplash here shortly.
And this was a dramatic before and after. But
This
what
is
did
it.
it? Yes, what was it like before, and what did she want?
Basically just to freshen it up, just a fresh color, just to get it kind of brought up into today's day and the kind of the climate and the feel of nice colors, bright colors, different accent colors with the island. And the kitchen's big enough to support that. Honestly, the kitchen was in great shape. The cabinets were in great shape. They were just maybe a little dated, and all we did was bring it up into 2020. We have a lot of black white. We actually have a lot of sage white going. The white background is really hot right now, and then accenting it, if your kitchen's big enough and something will support it, to go into an offset color. Obviously the blacks, the blues, the grays, and then going into a couple greens have been really, really hot lately.
And you say paint, but really it's not painting.
It's not painting. So the materials we use are imported from Italy. They are specific coatings for and geared toward cabinet coatings, especially and geared toward the refinishing market. So it is a water-based product, which makes it safe for the environment, but it does have an additive that we put in for hardening to make it hard, durable, washable, and extends the longevity of the kitchen.
So some companies will say we need to do the entire project.
Right.
A fresh color and design does things differently.
Right. So we don't need to necessarily do everything from start to finish. What we typically do is we'll do the cabinets and come in with the backsplash and the countertops. But if you have your own flooring company or have your own countertop company, you can use your own countertop companies. We don't need to do everything.
Tell me about Painter for a Day.
So our Painter for a Day program is basically just what it sounds like. You hire a painter for a day. Your materials, our employee, and quite frankly, the biggest thing to do is make sure you have enough work for them to do. You'd be surprised how much work can be done by a professional painter in one day in your house. So I always encourage people, please have an extra room for them to paint when they show up.
Jim, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
A Fresh Color and Design is such a great company.
Thank you very much.
If you are looking to refresh your cabinets, give Jim a call. A Fresh Color and Design is a company you can trust for paint or design on a budget. Go to afreshcolor.com or call the experts at 440-467-0500. And remember, the consultation is free.